What's up, guys? Back with another video. This is Mr. A and V here. So in today's video, I will be speaking upon the topic of time and money. So I will be giving some examples on how we can leverage time and money, and how money is not the end goal and how money is a tool so that we can live a better life. The reason I would like to speak upon this topic is because we are so used to having this idea of receiving or gaining money in one way, either by a gift or it may be by one source of income. And one of the things that I've realized throughout my entrepreneurial journey, thanks to Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, uh, is that there's four areas that people mostly make their money. First of all is uh, the employee, which they only have one source of income. And then there's the self-employed, which they've created a job for themselves and they're basically never off. The third one is an investor. The investor has their money work for them. And the fourth is a business owner, where they have a system working for them. So with that being said, that has really opened up my eyes when it comes down to time and money. Some of us trade our time for money. Some of us, have a business. Some of us are self-employed, which you have a business, but you work within your business. And there's also investors, the people that have their money work for them. That's something that I really wish I would have known since I have began my adulthood. It would have really saved me a lot of time, which is why I'm here to pass down the knowledge to you guys. And time is the most important asset that we have as the human beings. And money is just a tool. Money is a tool that we need to learn how to leverage, how we can gain more time with money. And that's the whole end goal with money, which is why highly wealthy people value time more than they value money. They rather invest in people, they rather invest in a company, they rather invest in tools that will help them gain more time. For example, I used to do my oil changes, but now I don't. The reason is because the amount of time that I'm saving is way more important than me actually taking action upon doing my oil change. And one of the things that I've realized is that health is wealth. Now when my oil change is being done, I take action upon my health. I go hit the gym. I take a mental health break by reading, gaining some self-development, so that way I can increase my knowledge and wisdom and empower others and empowering myself in my own life path. And that is the power of leveraging money. Knowing how to redirect that money. And money is just a form of energy. The more energy that you save or leverage that energy, the quicker that you'll be able to get to your end goals, the quicker you'll be able to live the life that you truly desire. And that's something that is priceless, I would say. It truly is priceless. Because at the end of the day, there's a lot of parents that don't have enough time to spend with their family, or there's college students that don't have enough time to enjoy the journey of college, enjoy the process. Or there's also, relationships that end up breaking up, or divorces because the circumstances of money. People don't know how to manage the money, people don't know how to leverage the money and leverage their time. With that being said, that's why I always recommend to invest in yourself first, so that way you can learn how to leverage your time and how to leverage your money. A simple book like Rich Dad Poor Dad, that already impacted me to leverage my time and my knowledge. Even though we might not be able to invest in JP Morgan investments at that level, or BlackRock, but there is smaller investments, the building blocks that can help us grow and prosper in our area of our life. And we will begin to see instantly the progression, the impact upon our own life. which is why it's so important to be knowing the difference between time and money, and knowing which one is more important, and knowing which one to leverage first, so that we can live a better life. And here it is. That's all I wanted to speak upon. Just the surface level things, so that way it can get you thinking. It can begin to spark some interest on how you can begin to change your life for the better. And there's no fee here. The only fee that I do charge is if you find some knowledge, some wisdom, or a new perspective, to please share it, like and comment, so that way people can get the important information that I'm sharing here as a criminologist and as a businessman. Peace.